Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to get some exciting deals and discount coupon code for thriftbooks.com in 2025, then this video is for you. So the first one, first you can see their official website where you can enjoy some exciting deals and discounts. From here you can see buy one and get 5% off, buy 2 to 4 and get 10% off, and here's like this. You can use this method and get this discount and grab your favorite books from here. Now some other website can give you some coupon codes for thrift books in one place. So here you can see the first one is couponfollow.com/site/thriftbooks.com, and it is most updated coupon codes that they have collected here. So you have to do is you can find the details from here. Simply click on show coupon code and it will reveal the coupon code. Copy button will help you to copy entire code, and you can use it whenever you are going to purchase something from the thrift books. Now the second one is couponcodes.com, and if you are on this website then you can search for it, or you can simply search for /store/thriftbooks promo codes, and you can hit enter and you can find this page where you can get some exciting deals and offers. So you have to do is simply click on get offers. So it will show you the details, and here you can find some instruction that it has just added some discount pages affiliate link. So if you use this link and buy something, then you can get the discount. The third website is simplycode.com/store/thriftbooks.com. Now when you are on this page, you can find some code here that you can find free gift here that is 100% success rate and verified here. So you have to do is you have to follow these terms and conditions here, that free gift store wide, so minimum order needed $30, members only at Thriftbooks. So you have to do is simply click on view code, and here is the code that you can use to get a free gift store wide from the book Thriftbooks. So from here, that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful, and check one by one and see which one actually works for you. Thanks for watching. Till next time.